introduce myself. My name is Afifa Mahirah Dava. People or my friend usually call me Afifa. I'm currently a first-year student at BSI University, majoring in Information System. Okay, I will give my opinion about smoking on campus. I think smoking on campus is a bad idea because smoking on campus will harm many people. Smoking doesn't just harm yourself but also harm others. Smoking can cause various serious health problems for oneself. Even people who don't smoke are impacted by second-hand smoke. We must be aware of our health, guys. The smoking ban on campus is a step toward health awareness. With the smoking ban, the entire campus community can be protected from exposure to cigarette smoke that harm the body. A campus environment that is free from cigarette smoke will create a healthy, clean, and comfortable environment for the entire campus community. Smoking has negative impact on body health. So, say no to smoking. Thank you, guys. Hello everyone. Now I will explain the material about the question word. Definition of question word. Question words are words in English used to ask questions about time, place, people, object, reason, method, and other things. These words are often referred to as 5W plus 1H. Namely, what, where, when, why, who, and how. As well, variations such as which, whom, whose, and other questions with how, such as how many or how much. Types of question word. Various types of question word are what used to form questions such as who, what, where, when, why, which, was, whom, and how. These word arts are used to ask about people, object, place, time, reason, choice, ownership, and method. The types of question word are 1. Who, used to ask about the person who is the subject of a sentence. Example, who is coming to the party? Second, to is the object in sentence. Example, to whom did you give the book? 3. Was, used to ask about ownership. Example, whose bag is this? 4. What, used to ask about object, animal, or action. Example, what are you doing? What are you doing? 5. Where, used to ask about place. Example, where do you live? 6. When, used to ask about time. Example, when is your birthday? 7. Why used to ask about reason or cause. Example, why are you late? Age, which used to ask about choice between two or more options. Example, which one do you prefer, tea or coffee? 9. How used to ask about ways or method. Example, how do you spell that? Question word formula to form an adjective clause. Question word formula to form an adjective clause. To form an adjective clause, therein the definite formula that can always be used because later when using relative pronouns or relative adverb, it will be different. What is certain is that an adjective clause always follows the noun or pronoun being explained. Now, what you actually need to pay attention to is the use of relative pronouns and relative adverbs. Question word formula to form noun clause. Not all noun clauses are formed using question words. A noun clause can be constructed in two ways, namely with a statement and a question. If a noun clause is formed based on a question, it will begin with a question word. In this case, a question word will be used, and the question word can also be followed by the word either, such as whatever, whichever, whoever, and so on. Example sentence of question word in a noun clause. 1. I don't know who you are. 2. I don't know who will come to the party. One more. On weekend, we can do whatever we want. That's all the material from me. Thank you so much. Bye.
이 기분은 뭐야 어떡해 아주 nice